In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom thumbnail to Loom video. A strong thumbnail helps your audience instantly understand what your video is about and encourages more clicks. Loom makes this easy with a built-in option that lets you pick a specific frame from your recording to use as the preview image. That way, whenever you share your video link or embed it elsewhere, viewers see the exact moment you want them to see first. Start by going to Loom and opening the video you want to update. Once your video is on the screen, look for the controls that let you make changes. Depending on your view, you'll either see an edit button or a dedicated thumbnail option. Both lead to the same place for setting your preview image, so choose whichever appears for you. With the editing panel open, head to the video timeline. Scrub through the timeline by dragging the playhead or using the playback controls to move frame by frame. You're looking for a clear, well-lit moment that represents the content of your video. Aim for a frame where your face or subject is centered, your expression is intentional, and any on-screen text is readable. Pause on that moment so the frame is perfectly still. Avoiding motion blur or mid-blink expressions makes a big difference in how professional the thumbnail feels. When you've landed on the frame you want, select it. You should see an option to set as thumbnail. Click that. Loom will apply the change and save it automatically. From now on, this image becomes your video's preview wherever the link is shared or embedded. If you share the video in a chat, email, or on a web page, that new frame is what people will see before they hit play. A few quick tips to get the best result. Choose a frame with good lighting and contrast so it stands out on small screens. If your video includes slides or a demo, pick a frame that clearly shows the main idea, a keyword, or a strong visual. If you talk on camera, a friendly, confident expression helps draw viewers in. And don't worry if you change your mind. Just repeat the same process to set a new frame at any time. That's it. Open your Loom video, go into edit or thumbnail, scrub to the perfect moment, and set it as your thumbnail. With this small tweak, you'll make your videos look more polished and more clickable everywhere you share them.